Hi everybody, today we're going to make a bird, and so what you need is a round circle, any color paper, and glue. You can have an eyeball or a white circle with a black dot on the middle. You can have a triangle that's yellow, and you can have some feathers so you can make a bird face. And I have 5 feathers, so we can put it on the bird's face. So first what you need to do is get your eyeball and stick it in the middle with glue. Okay, now let's get the triangle and stick it right over here like this. Just like this. I'm just going to stick it nicely. Okay, now let's do the feathers. You can do the feathers anywhere you want, but I'm going to do up on the head, like over here, and some on here, maybe above his eyes, wherever you want. Oopsie daisy. I'm gonna make it like this, so it will be very easier. I need to make the next one. Oh, look at this one. Looks so cute. It's very easy to make a bird's face because you just need an eyeball and a triangle and feathers to make it. It's just so easy. I can do it.